Richest South Indian actors. Allu Arjun. Allu Arjun is also one of the richest actor of South India who charges rupees 10 crores for each and every movie. For his movies like Desamuduru, Arya, Bunny, Yuvada Jagannatham, etc., he became more popular as these movies made the business of more than 100 crores. Surya. One of the popular South Indian actor and producer Surya is also one of the richest actors in this film industry. He is renowned for his hot look smartness and obviously he is the craze of maximum female viewers. He is paid by nearly about rupees 20 to 25 crores for each of his movies. Prabhas. Prabhas, the most popular, famous and richest actor of South India, got his most remarkable success in magnum opus Bahubali, the beginning, and Bahubali, the conclusion. Only for Bahubali, the beginning, Prabhas became the highest paid actor. He was paid rupees 20 crores for Bahubali series. Akkineni Nagarjuna. Nagarjuna mostly played biographical characters in more than 100 movies, but he reached the highest peak of fate and fame for Gitanjali. He was also awarded by National Award for his performance in Gitanjali. After that, very recently, he has increased his fees and it is now approximately rupees 8 crores. Ram Charan. One of the talented, dashing actor Ram Charan is amongst the richest actors of South India. He got Filmfare Award and Nandi Award and so many for his best acting. He performed in many movies like Raja, Nayak, Dhruva, etc. He is paid rupees 17 crores for every movie. Rajnikant. The topmost richest actor is Rajnikant. He made his debut in 1975. But he got the status and fame in 1995 when his Badshah released. He was paid rupees 30 crore for this movie. From then, he is known as the highest paid actor in South Indian film industry. Mahesh Babu. One of the most popular handsome actor, Mahesh Babu, is renowned for his excellent acting credentials. Movies like Pokiri, Sitama Vakitalo Sirimalle Chetu, Bharat Nenu, etc. are the proof of his excellency. He got many of the famous rewards like South Indian International Movie Award, International Indian Film Academy Award. Kamal Haasan. This actor, singer, screenwriter, film director, producer, dancer charged a huge amount of money for his presence in movies, reality shows, advertisements and his appearance as well. This high charge made him one of the richest actors in this film industry. Dhanush. Why this Kolaverity song brought his name to the limelight? Dhanush is not only working with Telugu movie, he made his debut in Bollywood with the movie Ranjana. Nowadays, he is one of the richest actors in the industry. Vijay. Vijay is one of the richest actors in South Indian film industry who charges rupees 80 to 100 crores as his fees. He made many blockbuster movies like Thupakki, Marcel, Sarkar 2018 and many more. Mohanlal. Mohanlal performed mainly in Malayalam movies. He is not only a successful actor, he is also a producer, philanthropist, playback singer. Mohanlal played most of the negative roles in many movies. As he charges a huge amount for his performance, he became one of the richest actors in South Indian film industry.